Hello. Welcome to our series, Go Guided with Atomica. In this case, our patient wants to replace his anterior teeth, and as you can see, he suffers from severe buccal and also vertical bone resorption. So, Dr. Tony, how would you plan for this case?
Hello, Sarah. First of all, let's mark the teeth we will be working on. Then the panoramic curve will be automatically generated. Upload the model and I'll check its matching through different cuts. Since we don't have a wax up here, I'll start adding virtual restorations.
And how could you determine the midline here?
I simply use the palatine raphe as a guide. As you can see here, besides the severe resorption, the remaining mesiodistal space is too narrow to place both the canine and the first premolar.
And how will you manage this?
I'd prefer to try to minimally increase the width of all teeth so that the canine will occupy the remaining space. Heading to implants, I'll use a narrow profile system, starting with the right lateral implant, adjusting it to an initial position and reviewing it from a tangential view. To decrease the number of implants, I'll skip the right central and plan for a bridge restoration on the right lateral and left central. Here I'm making the two implants parallel on the central implant position. By checking this position, the lateral implant needs further adjustments. Turning to the left side, as you can see, there is a severe bone resorption, so I'll consider ridge augmentation with buccal bone grafting.
Would you do this as a two-stages surgery?
Actually, no. I'm planning to place the implant and the graft both at the same surgery, since there is enough bone to get primary stability for the implant. Same applies to the canine, and that's it.
And now, how would you plan for this case? Share with us. And go guided with Atomica.